So you have a BlackBerry Passport and you want to run Android apps? Since the official App Store is gone, you have to use a workaround. Here's how you do it in 2025. Step 1. Find a safe APK. The first and most important step is to find a safe Android app file called an APK. The best way is to use a trusted, reputable website like APK Mirror. Do not download from a random site. The Passport's Android runtime is old, so you'll need to find an older version of the app that works on Android 4.3. Step 2. Transfer your Passport. Now you need to get the APK file onto your Passport. The easiest way to connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Once it's connected, simply drag the APK file you just downloaded directly into the Passport's internal storage. Step 3. Install the app. On your Passport, open the File Manager app, find the APK file you just transferred, and tap it. A pop-up will ask for permission to install the app. Tap Install and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, you can open the app from your home screen just like any other app. That's it. It is a simple process of finding, transferring, and installing.